Zhanyao's cyclone powder coating booth uses advanced cyclone recovery technology, rapidly recovering powder through cyclone separation, reducing waste. The efficient recovery system ensures a powder utilization rate of over 98%, significantly lowering production costs and minimizing environmental impact. Booth features quick color change design. Color change is completed within 10 to 15 minutes, greatly enhancing flexibility and efficiency on the production line. Energy-saving and environmentally friendly, equipped with a high-efficiency filtration system, reducing dust and harmful emissions, meeting strict environmental standards. Easy to clean and maintain. Simple structure for easy cleaning, reducing downtime. If you want to learn more about coding knowledge, feel free to connect with us.
ZhYao. Together, we color the world.